This guide will help you optimize your Readymag designs for mobile and tablet layouts, ensuring that they look sharp and function seamlessly across devices. You'll learn how to work with different layouts, understand inheritance rules, manually adjust widgets, and leverage smart tools to streamline your workflow and create responsive, polished designs. By default, if you don't create specific layouts for mobile or tablet, visitors will see a scaled-down version of your desktop layout, but with a few tweaks, you can optimize it for smaller screens. Adapting your designs for mobile and tablet devices starts with your desktop layout as the foundation. To add mobile or tablet layouts, click the device's icon in the bottom left corner and select the layout you want to work on. Once it's set up, you can easily switch between layouts using the same menu or by pressing the D shortcut whenever you're ready to make adjustments. When the layout is added, you'll see the outline of a phone or tablet screen, giving you a clear sense of how your content will appear on smaller devices. We'll start by exploring composition tools like single column and arrange for individual widgets to help you efficiently organize your layout. After that, we'll cover inheritance rules and manual adjustments for fine-tuning widgets across different layouts. Clicking the single column button automatically arranges your widgets into a single column, making them fit neatly within the mobile layout. This is a great option for quick adjustments, but it doesn't apply to fixed widgets. As you can see, this widget was fixed in the desktop version, so the single column function didn't affect it. In this case, we can either unfix the widget and place it manually, or reapply the function. You can also move and adjust the other elements as needed to achieve the desired look. By default, the Keep Desktop Groups option is enabled. This ensures that any grouped widgets from your desktop layout stay grouped in the mobile layout, preserving their relative positions and keeping everything neatly organized within the mobile frame. If your layout becomes messy, or if unintended changes occur, select the widgets, click on Desktop Layout. This will reset your widgets to their desktop settings, enabling you to start fresh and adjust only what's necessary for the mobile version. You can use automation to adjust individual widgets by selecting at least 2 widgets while holding the Shift key. Once selected, the Arrange option will appear, allowing you to rearrange only the chosen widgets without affecting the rest of your layout. Here's how each function works. Desktop composition replicates the original proportions and positioning of the selected widgets from the desktop layout in the current layout. This keeps their desktop arrangement intact. Single column automatically arranges the selected widgets into a vertical column, resizing them to fit within the mobile viewport. Fit desktop to mobile maintains the desktop positions of the selected widgets, but resizes them to fit the width of the mobile layout. This option is ideal for preserving the structure of your desktop design while adapting it for smaller screens. Let's take a closer look at how inheritance works in layouts. To help us see this in action, the keyhole feature will be especially useful. This tool, located in the bottom left corner of the mobile and tablet layouts, allows you to quickly reference the desktop version of a widget while editing it on mobile without switching views. Layouts are desktop first, meaning that any changes you make to the desktop layout automatically carry over to mobile and tablet views. As soon as you make a specific change to a widget in the mobile layout, such as adjusting its color, size, font size, style, or animation, it breaks from the desktop inheritance and becomes independently managed. This means that changes made to the widget in the mobile version will no longer affect the desktop layout. Similarly, updates to the widget in the desktop layout will no longer apply to the mobile version once the widget has been altered in the mobile layout. However, this rule does not apply to content. Elements like media files, images, videos, sound, text, links, and properties such as on all pages remain synchronized across all layouts, regardless of other adjustments. But here's an important detail. The video widget content is synchronized across all layouts, so you can't use different video files in the same widget for different viewports. However, you can customize the player settings individually for each viewport. Working on the mobile layout is similar to editing the desktop version, but with screen boundaries and phone resolutions in mind. One by one, select the widgets you need, drag them into position, adjust their size, and reposition them as necessary. Remember, these changes won't affect the desktop version, as the widgets become independently managed once edited in the mobile layout. When you add a widget to the mobile layout, a hidden copy is automatically created in the desktop version and all other layouts. If you need unique content for mobile, like specific text, you can duplicate and customize the widget, and it will remain hidden in other layouts. To keep everything organized, rename duplicated widgets for clarity. This approach ensures your mobile design is independent, doesn't affect other layouts, and remains easy to manage. Initially, creating separate widgets for desktop and mobile might seem like an easier approach, but in the long run, it doubles your workload. By understanding and leveraging inheritance rules, you can significantly speed up the process of making changes across all layouts. In preview mode, you can test your mobile layout on different devices to see how your adjustments look across screen sizes. To switch between layouts while in preview mode, simply click the gear icon in the bottom right corner or use the D key. Don't forget to double-check the mobile layout after making changes to the desktop version, as those changes may impact the mobile design. In some cases, especially for the fixed menu, you might need to redesign it into a burger menu for mobile to improve user experience. We have a tutorial on creating a hamburger menu, and you can follow the steps to make sure your menu works seamlessly across all devices. Now, you've learned how to adapt and customize your layouts for mobile and tablet devices. You're ready to create responsive, polished designs that look great on any screen. Find more tutorials and tips at readymag.com/learn.